We are going into our last section in Chapter 3 on differentiation here in Calc 1, Section 3.9, which is covering two concepts, one linearization and the other differentials. So the first concept is linearization, where we essentially want to approximate more complicated functions with straight lines. And so now that we understand how to find the equation of a tangent line to a more complicated curve, that's basically all we're doing, is finding the equation of a tangent line and using it to approximate the value that's on the curve. So in other words, I just want you to get an idea in this first example, example 50, of how that works. I'm not computing the equation of the tangent line at this point. Hopefully everyone could easily do that. If I gave you the function y equals x squared and I asked you to compute the tangent line at the point 1, 1, everyone would come up with pretty quickly y equals 2x minus 1. So these are just pictures here of why this is okay and why it's good to use this to approximate. So I'm going to use the tangent line y equals 2x minus 1 to approximate the function y equals x squared. Now, of course, only near the point 1, 1. If I go a long ways away from the point 1, 1, this is not a good approximation. But we know right at the point 1, 1, this value, the value of the tangent line, is the same to the value of the curve. But near 1, 1, the tangent line is also a good approximation of it. You can see as we progress through each piece here. So this is a no zoom in at all whatsoever. This is y equals x squared. Here's its tangent line at the point 1, 1. Even here, though, kind of visually with your eye, you can see near the point 1, 1 that there's really, I can't see much difference. But even as I start to zoom in here, right, I'm getting more close, I can see, boy, there's not much different. The further I zoom in, my eye now can no longer tell the difference between the tangent line and the curve. Because remember, I'm really zoomed in here. I've shrunk the y-axis down to 0.997 to 1.003. 3 1,000ths on either side of 1. And I've shrunk the x-axis down to the same, 0.997 to 1.3 1,000ths on either side of x equals 1. So 3 1,000ths away on either side, x or y, of the point 1, 1, it's like there's no difference between the tangent line and the curve, at least visually. There is a difference. You can't see it with the naked eye. So that's what I want you to get out of example 50.